on here. Sir, I want to first apologize for people who have seen my YouTube videos, for not putting up a video in a very long time. I have no subscribers, so I really don't have to apologize to them. So, here's an unboxing of Just Dance 4. I got this way back, and I never did an unboxing, so I'm gonna do it right now, because I haven't done an unboxing in a very long time. We got a pen here. I'm not editing this, so whatever happens, happens. One-handed. Sorry, I'm not using the tripod. Tripod. My English is horrible. There we go. Oh, I gotta show you the back. So this came out, I believe, 3 years ago. I know it came out before Just Dance 2014, which is a decent game, I guess. But Just Dance 4. No, cool stuff. Let's open it. Oh, this comes with the manual. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't have a closing center code, so I'm just gonna show the manual real quickly. Basic stuff you need to know. Like this. Yeah, we go. Yeah. I know a lot of people like this game, love this game. I don't really care. But yeah, that was on a unboxing Just Dance 4 for the Wii U. I know they sell this also for the Wii if you want to buy it for the Wii. I bought it on Amazon, I think, for $20. It was a good deal. Because don't like it, but I know people who love it, and my family, people in my family. So, peace. Subscribe. Like. Please subscribe. See ya. Jesus loves you.